Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best speaker stands is probably one of the most overlooked components in any home studio or listening setup, but trust me, they make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of speaker stands, specifically the IsoAcoustics series, to see how they can elevate your audio experience. We'll explore how these stands isolate your speakers, reduce unwanted vibrations, and ultimately, improve the clarity and accuracy of your sound. Number 5. Pyle Play 1 and 3 Speaker Stands. These adjustable speaker stands are designed to perfectly complement your Play 1 and Play 3 speakers. They work with both, enhancing their shape and aesthetic appeal. The stands feature a telescoping center column, allowing you to adjust the height from 26 to 52 inches. A sturdy pin secures the height, and the metal construction ensures stability. Each speaker rests on a 9-inch square platform with non-slip pads. These stands can support up to 90 pounds, making them ideal for any home theater or studio setup. The 18 by 18 by 18-inch triangle base provides excellent stability and safety. The stands also include floor spikes for equal weight distribution, ensuring maximum balance. Pyle includes all the necessary hardware for easy assembly. The included manual provides clear instructions, so you can quickly set up and start using them. What we like. This stand offers adjustable height, perfect for optimizing your speaker placement. If you have a home theater or studio setup, this stand's stable triangle base and easy assembly make it a great choice for a hassle-free experience. What people say. They are very stable on carpet thanks to the pointy bits you can screw into the bottom. The height being adjustable is an awesome feature. Easy to construct, came with everything needed. Number 4. Pyle PSTK 107 Dual Speaker Stand Kit. This Pyle speaker stand kit is designed for easy transport and setup. The tripod leg design and center brace provide increased stability, ensuring your speakers stay secure during use. Made with durable steel, this stand can hold speakers up to 132 pounds. The rugged metal construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use. The telescoping center column adjusts from 40 to 71 inches. Secure the height with the sturdy pin and screw locks for optimal sound projection. The stand features non-slip rubber feet for stability on any surface. This design ensures equal weight distribution, making it safe for any environment. This stand works with speakers with a 35mm compatible insert. Each stand weighs only 6.9 pounds, making it ideal for various audio setups. When opened, the stand dimensions are 58.0 inches by 58.0 inches by 76.0 inches. When closed, it is 5.7 inches by 5.7 inches by 42.0 inches, making it easy to store and transport. What we like. With its tripod leg design, this stand provides increased stability. If you're looking for a portable solution for gigs or events, its easy mobility and adjustable height make it ideal for various venues. It is a perfect choice for DJs. What people say. The stands did exactly what I wanted them to do, which was to isolate my studio monitors from the desk. The sound is much clearer and more defined. The stands are very well built and sturdy. Number 3. Liquid Stand Studio Monitor Stands, 2-pack. These speaker monitor stands are built with heavy-duty stainless steel. They feature a wide base and can hold up to 65 pounds, ensuring your equipment is secure. The studio monitor stands come with 6mm thick anti-slip isolation padding. They also need less than 2 inches of space from the wall, making them ideal for any setup. Unlike other stands, this one offers complete flexibility. You can use it horizontally or vertically by adjusting the plates. It also allows tilt adjustments from 0 degrees to 20 degrees. This monitor speaker mount is designed to work with desks between 0.5 to 2 inches thick. The platform measures 9 by 12.5 inches, and the height adjusts from 9.5 to 13.5 inches, offering great versatility. Liquid Stands has a proven track record, with over 250,000 units sold and no warranty claims denied. They stand behind their product, offering you peace of mind. What we like. This stand is sturdy and safe, ensuring your monitors are well supported. If you like to customize your listening experience, its adjustable tilt feature allows you to fine-tune the angle. If you are looking for a desktop solution, this stand is a great choice. What people say. The stands do exactly what they are supposed to do, which is to isolate the speakers from the surface they are sitting on. The soundstage is much more focused and the stereo imaging is more precise. They are well built and easy to set up. Number 2. IsoAcoustics ISO L8 R200 Subwoofer Isolation Stand. This is the IsoAcoustics Isolation Stand. It features patented isolation technology, tested at the National Research Council of Canada. This design provides superior isolation performance. The isolators manage the energy of the speaker. This reduces vibrations resonating through the supporting surface. The result is elimination of dissonant sounds in your listening area. This stand reduces internal reflections. It eliminates smear, resulting in an improved stereo image. You'll experience natural spatial sound. The stand is 7.8 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and 5 inches in height. It has a weight capacity of 75 pounds. The package includes one stand. Please note that this is the old model. A new version, the IsoAcoustics ISO 200 Sub, is available. You may want to check it out. What we like. This stand offers superior isolation, minimizing vibrations and improving sound clarity. If you are looking for a way to eliminate dissonant sounds, it reduces internal reflections to eliminate smear. If you like a natural spatial sound, you should consider it. What people say. They allow the bass port the room it needs to function properly. My bass is more defined and tight versus the sound without the stands. No muddiness at all. This unit has isolated my woofer and removed floor and other vibration, providing a clean sound. It really changed the bass presentation. Tighter sound all around. The mid-bass bloat that I just got used to went away. Detail became more pronounced. Number 1. IsoAcoustics Aperta Subwoofer Isolation Stand. This is the IsoAcoustics Aperta Sub, a subwoofer isolation stand. It measures 10.5 inches wide, 11.5 inches deep, and 1.3 inches in height. It can support up to 80 pounds. The Aperta Sub enhances your listening experience. It cleans up the muddy low-frequency sound. The result is tighter bass and greater clarity. This stand prevents vibrations from reflecting on the supporting surface. This eliminates muddy bass and reveals greater clarity and definition. The Aperta Sub decouples the subwoofer from the supporting surface. This prevents the transfer of energy that causes room rattle and disturbs your neighbors. The IsoAcoustics design has been tested at the National Research Council of Canada. This award-winning design provides superior isolation performance. What we like. This stand provides greater bass definition, resulting in tighter bass response. If you are looking for a way to clean up the muddy low-frequency sound, it reduces internal reflections. If you like a clearer sound, this stand is a great choice. What people say. This product absorbs all that harmful vibration and just allows the woofer to hit without any hindrance. The bass was suddenly tighter, cleaner, and much more articulated. It's designed to not interfere with the subwoofer's feet, so for my subwoofer, KEF Kuba 10B, a 15-inch cube, the size is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.